Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use fast filters in Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatars, etc. You're gonna have to scroll down. Then at the end, you're gonna see category called instant edits. Now on the instant edits, you can see options like remove object, enhance, change background, then finally fast filters. Tap on fast filters, then select start from your screen. Now select the photo that you want to add fast filters to. Once you do that, in couple seconds, you're gonna see a bunch of options that you can use. For example, I'm gonna use BC8. You can also adjust the intensity of that filter. Once you find the perfect filter that you want to add, just go ahead and tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you use fast filters in Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.